Did you know that some dinosaurs had air conditioning built into their skulls? See, some dinosaurs like the mighty T-Rex had air sacs connected to their respiratory system. These air sacs would have helped them regulate their body temperature and breathe more efficiently. Kind of like how birds use their air sacs to keep cool. But unlike birds, the air sacs in dinosaurs were way bigger and more complex. Some were shaped like domes, while others looked like long, thin tubes. And instead of being used for breathing, they may have also helped the dinosaurs vocalize, communicate, and even sense vibrations in the air around them. So the next time you're feeling hot, just remember, it could be worse. Would you survive without AC in the Cretaceous heat? Don't forget to stay tuned for more dino discoveries.